Hello friends, how are you all? I think you all will be fine. So I want to tell you through video how the furnace is filled. It is very important to keep something in mind while filling the furnace. So first of all, the item you are putting into the furnace should not touch each other. When filling the furnace, the bed above the bed should be equal to the bed below. And after 2 days, when your items will come out completely, then I will tell you how they looked. So keep the watching the video and you can ask me whatever you want to ask me. So stay with us like this and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.